Howdy people. So this is my new body camera. Isn't that cool? That's what it looks like. They say this is what the police use. Got this off Amazon. I'll post a link in the comments section. We're done. But it has date, time, it's supposed to have GPS, records the sound. You can export it. You can export the video to a laptop, for example. Here's a light. Records audio, video, date, time, GPS. So I was just walking around trying it out for the first time. You can hear the audio in the background, just the truck noises. So the idea here is that I would keep this handy in my truck, you know, probably somewhere around my dash area. And then if I was in a sketchy area, I would grab my body camera, put this clip in there like that, and you just clip that onto your jacket. See how it clips right there? You just wear that while you're outside the truck. I would probably wear it when I'm at a truck gate. It's when I have most of my problems. There's a long line of trucks trying to get out, and other truckers get mad at you. That's when I would probably grab the body camera and just record everything while I'm outside the truck. Here I have the docking station. This is the dock right here. We plug that in. See that? So I really like it. I would recommend it. I have no regrets of buying it. I think it's going to be excellent, actually. And the thing is that video is the growing trend of everything nowadays. You go, he said, she said, but who has the video? And I've had instances in the past where I've had to talk to local cops, for example. Somebody hit my truck, and the other driver tried to blame me. Well, I would have this video. If I was talking to the other driver, I'd grab my body camera and wear it while I was talking to the driver. You know, that way I always have video. Set those cameras too. So I have the cameras for the truck, and then I'll have the camera for my personal body when I'm walking around. I'm outside the truck. So I think that's probably the best you can do. Try to protect yourself at all times. You can turn this body camera on and off, you know, so you could always be wearing it if you wanted to, and then only turn it on when the situation calls for it, you know. So you'd have it up here like this, and then as things get a little dicey, you hit the button, it'll start recording. So you could always wear it like this and not be recording unless you think it's necessary, and then just hit the button, you start recording. So I really like it. I recommend it. And you'll always have video, you know, that's the thing. People could say whatever they want. It's who has the video to prove it, you know. So I think that goes a long way to solving any disputes.